Hey, I'm Tom from Apex Customs. Right now we're getting ready to be spring in Arizona. Spring is always an exciting time because that's when all the classic car auctions come into town. Most of you are familiar with Barrett-Jackson, probably Mecum, but we also have Russo and Steel and Mag and a couple other smaller auctions that are just as exciting. At Apex Customs, we've been part of a lot of getting cars ready to go to the auction. And also once one of our client buys a car, bring it to us, check it out, customize it, make it better for them. Make sure it's reliable. So today I was hoping to give you a couple different tips about what to look for and what to do when you're going to the different classic car auctions. Tip number one is really do your research. So obviously you know what kind of cars you like. I like to use the different, there's a lot of national online auction houses. My favorite is probably Bring a Trailer. And if you go to Bring a Trailer, then you can see what cars that are similar to the car that you're looking at or want to bid on. See what they've sold for in the last 12 months. Make sure you kind of know what that car is worth before you go in. Sometimes, which leads me to tip number two, which is make sure that you can do as much of an inspection as you possibly can on the vehicle. A lot of times, like with Barrett-Jackson, you can actually, if you're a registered bidder, you can meet with the owner of the vehicle. They'll start it up. Unfortunately, some auctions won't let you do that. Some auctions will allow you to actually purchase a purchase inspection, which is always a smart thing to do. That way you kind of know what you're getting. Number three is kind of have a budget set. You know, a lot of times you get into Barrett-Jackson or into one of these auctions and the auctioneer is going crazy and maybe you've had a couple beers and you get excited and the next thing you know, you spend a lot more money than you wanted to spend on the vehicle. So kind of have some parameters set in your mind of what you want to spend. Final tip really is know that you're going to spend some money on your car. I mean, any used car is going to come with some issues that you want to make resolved. So make sure you save a little bit of money, bring it over to Apex. We can customize it for you. We can do a courtesy inspection, make sure that it's mechanically sound. It's not going to let you down going down the freeway. Some of the popular upgrades here in Arizona is hot, and so having a vintage air in your car makes it a lot more pleasurable to drive during the summer. Other popular upgrades are upgrading the audio system, upgrading the electrical system, upgrading the cooling system, and really just making sure that it's roadworthy. Whatever you do, just enjoy it. You're at a really cool venue with Barrett-Jackson, with Mecum. There's a lot of other car guys and car gals out there. Lots of energy in the room. So just enjoy and have fun. And hopefully we'll see you when you get done. Bring your car to Apex and we'll take care of you. Have a great day.